How to change location on the Monkey app. Now, if you go ahead and open up or access your Monkey app application and then logged into your account, and then if you go directly to the option on the lower right portion of your screen, which is going to be the monkey icon, and then just simply tap on edit. Now you cannot do anything on the locations tab if you have already set up your location automatically. Now, the very best thing that you can do is to use any reliable VPN using your Google Play Store. Now, you just have to try and use any reliable VPNs out there depending on your um, preferred method. If you're going to be downloading it via the Play Store or through your Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your Android phone if you're using an Android device. So that's pretty much it. That's the most convenient way of changing your location on the Monkey app.